Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Franco with Trading Futures Live. I want to stop real quick to give you a recap of my day trading today. It was a fairly difficult day for me to trade. I did have some difficulties on the trade multiplier, the software that multiplies my trade, and I had an error for the second account. So for those waiting for the second account, the challenge on the funded account, unfortunately, I couldn't trade that account. I did take a trade later on that account, but it was a break even. I'm going to break both trades. I will leave you a link down below. Both trades were taken during the live stream in the morning, so you can check them out. Okay, so let's jump right into the content. All right, let's review my edge wonk. Here I have two trades, a long trade. This is a very common trade that I take. It's a reversal trade. I call the setup tradable reaction, and the formation I call it explosive accumulation, where you have like a big move to the same side, then some sideways, and then an explosive move up. Okay, I remember this trade comes along with the dollar in supply because we're trying to take this long, and the divergence on the tick chart. Okay, let's see the internals. Clearly, you have the divergence here for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you need the ADQD going against you completely, okay? So that's the long trade, the dollar here in the supply from London. By the way, if you haven't attended to the pre-market analysis video, I do this breakdown on the dollar on the pre-market video so you can have the zones and all the common behavior for the dollar before the session is on, okay? I do rely on that analysis for the trading session, okay? All right, later I took this trade, and I want to tell you, I did put here that my stop was moved too quickly, right? And I didn't have a clean setup right here, right? So I took the trade, but I think it was subconsciously trying to take a trade because I didn't take any trade on the funded account. This was not in my personal account. This was just a trade on the funded account, right? I usually take my real account and I link those trades to other accounts, and that way I trade other funder accounts, right? But with the computer error that I had, I couldn't take a trade earlier, meaning my first trade was not multiplied. And then I felt like, okay, I need to take this trade. But after this break even, I said, all right, you know what? It was not the day to make money in the other accounts. So you need to live with it. That already happened. And it's better that just take crappy trades and destroy your day, your week, or your month because you had a computer error, okay? So those are the challenges that you can go through when you trade. Every little detail can trigger you, okay? And in the past, I was very weak. If I did have some sort of situation in my life, not only with trading, I probably would go and revenge and take stupid trades and just try to discharge all my anger with the market. And I think that's a very common thing that traders do because it's easy to get triggered in trading, right? Because money is involved, emotions are involved. When those two things get mixed, it could be very dangerous if you don't know how to just calm down and get poised and trade the best way you can. Okay, so that's a good lesson for me today. So one winner, one break even. I put here the tilt meter on the negative side because I did think that this trade was a little bit too risky, but nevertheless it was a break even. All right, so this is a very quick video. If you like what I do, please consider subscribing to the channel. I go live every day at 8:50 for the pre-market analysis and 9:25 for the market open. Okay? Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.